Connie here from the Painted Photographer. I used the throwaway part of the sunflower stamp. This IOD Sunflower Stamp is amazing, and it's another one of you need it. Follow along. If you need any DIY paints or IOD products like this sunflower stamp, find me at thepaintedphotographer.com. I used the throwaway part. I also used the new DIY making powders. They're a powder and they're delicious. And I used them with the throwaway part of the IOD Sunflower Stamp. Make sure you join along and see how I used these and this to create art. I'm gonna use the sunflower stamp. This is new from IOD and it's beautiful. But I had an idea. So this is the mask that they give you. These come out of here. But I didn't throw this away. When I went to pick it up to throw it away, I had an idea. Let's cut this out. Now we have a stencil. I'm gonna lay that on there. I found this on Amazon. It's called Pixie Spray. It's for stencils. So what I did is I took this outside and I sprayed the back of my stencil. Make sure that you spray the right side. So test your stamp first to which side you have to spray and make it tacky. I'm gonna put it on my block. This is just a wood block painted green. Gotta let it dry for a minute. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there. Now we're gonna use some of the DIY making powders. I have 3 colors: Van Gogh, Bright Side, and Orange You Glad. This is a powder. You have to be careful with it because it'll get everywhere. So, I don't really know what this is gonna do, but we're filming it anyway. I'm gonna show you. So now I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna give a mist to this board. Then I'm gonna go in with my making powders and paint. This is just sprayed, misted with water, and then using the making powders, and we're gonna create an abstract look. So I like the brush strokes. Light source is coming from that way, so this is going to be a little darker. On this side. I'm gonna pull some of this paint off. This is just a baby wipe. Now I am gonna go in with a little bit more of the bright side. A little bit more water. I like the look of brush strokes. So I'm just making a whole bunch of abstract-y brush strokes. Then I have a little bit of orange. I'm gonna go down here on the bottom. It's lightest up there on top. That's where that sun is coming from. I don't want it to be where the stencil was. So I'm going to tap some. Whoop. Whoa, be careful with your mister. It's okay. Hang with me. This will work. I'm sure of it. Our board is dry. I have the sunflower stamp. I'm going to ink this stamp up with the IOD black ink. There you have it, a fun sunflower. So I'm gonna mask this off. We're gonna put a stem on it. We're gonna ink up the stem. We have the mask on there. So now we need to make that stem hold this sunflower. Behind the sunflower, like that. And then we can even add a leaf. There we go. A fun sunflower on a board. It looks abstract-y with DIY making powders and IOD Sunflower Stamp. I used the DIY dark wax to vintage this board up. So I put the dark wax along all four edges, and then a little bit came over the top of the painting, which is fine because that actually just gives that painting a little bit of age to it. I took a piece of paper toweling and wiped off the excess. And what I like to do is dark wax the back side of the board too, just to make it look all finished. Did you like it? I think it's pretty cool. If you need any of the DIY products or IOD, please visit thepaintedphotographer.com and I will ship them right to your front door. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy painting.